Do you want to keep your purse fatty? It is easy to say it, but not to execute it. If it is easy, then every person will be a billionaire. It is a fact that 70% of people are born in poverty, live in poverty, and die in poverty. If hard work is only the basis for the being rich, then every worker should be the richest person in the world. So, if thinking about being a rich person or hard work does not make us rich, then what is the right strategy? So, for being rich, we have to apply a smart strategy in our life. With hard work, our smart saving and its investment strategy, our way of spending, and lastly our self-discipline help us to become rich or make our purse fatty. So now we start to know 7 secrets to keep our purse fatty one by one. First one is learn how to keep our purse fatty. The first thing you have to learn is how to keep your purse full at all the time. For this, you have nothing more to do. It is simple. You just have to follow simple rule. For example, if you put $100 in your purse daily, which you have earned, then try to only spend $90 out of it. Save the remaining $10 daily. I know it will not always be possible for you to save $10 daily, but at least you can save $4 or $5. So simply fix a target amount which you want to save in your purse. You can start with low amount and go to high amount. This means starting with a small target. Once you achieve a small target and found money in your purse at the end of the month, you will feel great and continue it automatically, because once you become addicted to saving money, you will never leave it because it keeps your purse fatty, and everyone like fatty purse. Second is learn to control your expenses. You should have to control your expenses. Normally it believed that people spend the same as their income, but this is wrong because money making law is against the above law. So when your income increase, you start to increase your expenses. Most people do the same, and here they make the mistake because according to their previous income, they already make a budget of saving and expenses, and for this they are habituated. So if their income will increase and they include the extra income in their saving budget, there is no adverse effect on their living standard. So if they take it as an opportunity of saving and still have to limit their expenses, they can increase their wealth. Third is everyone buys a little gold. Everyone should buy a little gold. So try to buy gold because gold is something that doubles quickly. You should have to invest in gold because of two things. First, it fits low budget investment as well as high budget investment. So if you have a low budget, you can invest in it. You can easily buy 1 gram or 2 gram of gold. Second, investing in gold is safer than other alternatives like equity and mutual fund. There is not much fluctuation shown in the gold price, especially in long run. So that if you will have a lot of gold, then it can give you an investment opportunity, or you can take out a loan on your gold. The fourth is protect your deposit. You have to protect your deposit because after all, this is your money which you earn by doing hard work. So invest it smartly. You can use the following simple rule to protect your deposit. First one, diffracted your investment. Do not investment in a single alternative. Diffracted into several alternatives like in equity, mutual fund and gold and property. Second, before investing, take the advice of an expert in that field. Third, regularly check the performance of your investment. Fourth, take regular update on the market. Fifth, wait, watch and then act on the investment and withdrawal. Do not dream of becoming a millionaire overnight, otherwise you may lose your deposit. Think double before making any investment and withdrawal. Fifth is make your property a profitable investment for yourself. Like if you have an extra house or land, give it for land. If the land is near the market or in a commercial place, then think of the construction of a shop and house on that property. Sixth is secure return investment is essential. For secure income, I mean to invest in life insurance or educational insurance and pension scheme. You may also invest in equity and mutual fund, but the condition is that your investment should be for long term. These all are investments which have secure income without any risk. These investments help your family when you will not in this world, help you when you are old and not able to earn money for yourself. It also helps your children in their education when they need the money for higher studies. The drawback with these investments is that the return is less and will take more time to complete, but the benefit is that the return is secure and it will help you in your terrible time. So we should include it as a part of our investment. Seventh is try to sharpen yourself. And the most important point in the end is to always sharpen yourself, increase your skill and ability so that you can earn maximum. If you have enough spare time for your job, you should try to learn other skill which help you to maximize your income. So by increasing your skill, you can increase your intellect, and because of that you make your recognition in your professional life. The more competent you are, the better chances you will get, which will help you to increase your earning. So my final conclusion is that if you want a fatty purse, then you should learn how to keep your purse fatty, how to control your expenses, save your deposit, do investment after thinking twice, invest small in gold, do some secure income investment to reduce the risk of future, and last is sharpen your skill. We all have to use this formula to make our purse fatty and act like a rich person. This is the difference between thinking of rich and poor. To be rich does not depend on your destiny, but it is depend on your smartness.
Thank you and best of luck.